To know about the enzymatic action, usually two type of models are very famous. Number one, we have lock and key model. In the lock and key model, enzyme's shape is fixed. As you can see in the diagram, enzyme shape is fixed with its active site and non-active site. Active site, the place specific space at which substrates can be attached. Substrates fits exactly at the active site of the enzymes, just like the key in the lock. Specific enzymes for specific substrate. Specificity can be judged in case of lock and key model. When both of these attached with the presence of the cofactor, then enzyme substrate complex will be formed, and after the position of or production of the products, when substrates or reactant, these substrates are also known as the reactants. When reactants completely attached with the enzyme's active site, they are begin to convert into product, and when they convert into product, then product separate itself, activator or cofactor also separate itself, and then the complete separation or first enzyme products and enzymes complex will be formed, and after the formation of the products separate from the enzymes, activator also separates from the enzyme, so alone enzyme shapes can be noticed. In case of induced fit model, the second famous model which is used to describe the enzymatic action. Number one quality, active site change its shape slightly. The active site, which is not quite similar for the adjustment of the substrate. You can see in the diagram, it is substrate and it is enzymes. Now you can see the active site of the enzyme. It is not completely similar to the substrates, and substrates are unable to fix in this form, so it have to slightly change its shape according to the shape of the substrate. Fit substrate after binding, and then more accurate model it is noticeable and explain enzymatic shape flexibility. So you can see in this diagram, when both of these join together, their shape is not just like similar, but after that it slightly change its shape according to the shape of the substrate. Now enzyme substrate complex will be formed. After the catalysis process, enzyme product can be noticed, and when the product is completely formed, then both product and activator will be separated from the enzyme. So this model also explain the slightly flexibility or slightly shape flexibility of the enzymes.